It's your boy Jay Will back with another video. In this video today, day in the life of an affiliate marketer. I'm just gonna take you guys around, show you what my day looks like. Let's get it. Thing first, log into Digistore, check my sales. Just waking up, 11 o'clock a.m., late morning. Today so far I got one sale. Look at my sales from yesterday, the day before. Sales for the month. Sales for the week. Had to head over to Google Ads. So far I spent 49 bucks. Made 100 bucks, so in profits so far for the day. On my way to head and grab me a little morning charge. Do this every morning, my ritual. Love going to this place. Gotta get one of these every morning. With the shake. Yeah. Gamer. I'm a gamer, definitely. Got this nice gamer chair too. If you play Xbox, add me. Add JWillTV on Xbox.
$500 for every Bison touchdown. First and 10 for the Herd at the 28-yard line. 93 to Lucas Hunter. In a 4 on the play. Brings up second.
End of my day out, back on his Xbox. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.